COVID-19 outbreak has brought the whole country to a halt. With the initiated lockdown, we are learning the importance of personal hygiene, clean atmosphere, and social distancing. We are adapting to the newer and better ways to work, such as remote working. These new adaptations are gonna change the ways of our life in many aspects. And in this change, a second home will play a significant role. This is Sanjay Kulkarni, Sales and Marketing Head, here to make you understand the role of second homes in life post-lockdown. The pandemic of the COVID-19 outbreak is upon us. It has affected the whole country, the people living in it, and the very economy on which they stand upon. It will continue affecting until we find its cure and until we learn to live with it safely. And if laxity in doing so, the virus will have a devastating effect on a country of 130 crore people. We were never prepared for this disaster, and no one can be pre-prepared for such an unpredictable event. But we can cope with simply adapting some lifestyle changes. These changes may not be easy to adapt, but will be effective to fight the outbreak and to stay from it. And while adapting these changes, a second home will play a significant role. So does in our life after the lockdown. One such adaptation is building overslaves, a shelter away from the crowded city. Let us understand this by quickly looking at some past experiences. In World War II, cities with higher population density become targets, and the people found their home in the front line. To be safe from the massive bombarding, people built their own personal shelters. And this pandemic is a war in itself. Unlike World War II, the enemy is invisible to naked eyes, but it is there, destroying countries, people's lives, and the economy. And in this war, a second home will provide the safest and serene shelters that you will ever find. Second home, away from the crowded city, will save you from the virus outbreak while helping you maintain social distancing. You can leave the worries about being exposed to the virus behind and enjoy a safer time with less crowd and minimum human contact. Most of the second home comes with world-class amenities to keep you and your family entertained while staying during or after the lockdown. These amenities will make your stay excited while surely being safer. And one of these amenities will help you adapt to another lifestyle change, remote working. While most of the organizations are considering the remote working to ensure the safety of their employees, we will eventually get used to it as the new normal. We will convert exciting places into a remote workstations, or will look for a safer one. And the second home will the most suitable to fulfill the requirement of the scenario. Second homes come equipped with amenities like huge conferences room that can provide an ideal place for a remote workstation. Provided with all the latest networking and conferencing gadgets, one will face no problem in staying connected with the rest of the world. Other than this, we would be looking for brand new ways of investment to make our crippled economy stand again. And one such a brand new way for investment is invest in functional real estate. Functional real estate, the augmentation of traditional second home investment, which promises fixed monthly return on investment. It is a concept that refers to the second home investment, which operates on the owner's behalf and fills the gap between enterprise investment and return of investment with persistent money flow. This will help both the investor as well as an investee to gain the profit and indirectly help our economy to rise upon its actual stand again. Overall, we understood that post-lockdown we can expect many significant changes in our life. From adapting the concept of having our own shelter, remote working, to finding new way of investment, and a second home will help in adapting them.